Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you with this full tutorial how to change the date on a Timex Expedition watch. Once again, this will be a full tutorial and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So I'll be showing you how to change the date and the day of the week and the day of the month and all that kind of stuff on a Timex Expedition watch, and this will be a full tutorial. Let's get right into the video. So essentially, it's really easy to do. With your watch, there's going to be a set button. You can kind of see it over there. Okay, you can see right here, there's actually a set button over here. So we're going to press and hold down the set button when we're on this main screen over here that shows the time and the date. Okay, I'm going to press and hold down the set button, and after I hold it down, it's going to start flashing, and it's going to tell me, do I want to set the time 1 or 2? Okay, now there's an option that's going to say next over here. It says next over here. I'm going to push next because I'm going to set time 1. Okay, now we're setting time 1, but we don't want to set the time, we want to set the date. So essentially, I'm going to push next to get out of the hour setting. I'm going to push next to get out of the minute setting. I'm going to push next to get out of the seconds setting. Okay, and now what's flashing up here is the 12. So the way I have this watch set is actually the month and the date. So right now it says 12/16, which means that it is December 16th, and it's not that actual day. I have to set it. I just started making these videos after I got the watch really quickly. I do have to set it. However, it's saying that it's December 16th. If you want to change that, you can press the plus or the minus. Here's the plus, here's the minus. So let's say I wanted to change it to November. Okay, so that's 11. November is the 11th month. Okay, when you've chosen the month, you can push next, which is this option over here. Once again, push next, and then I can change the date. Now I'm going to put November 23rd because that is, so I'm going to push plus until I get to 23, 21, 22, 23. It's reversed on my screen, so I'm assuming that I got it right. But essentially, that's my wife's birthday, November 23rd. So we have it set to 11/23, which is November 23rd. My wife's birthday, my lovely, beautiful, incredible, astonishing wife. And that's how to set the date. And when you're done, you can push next to go to the next set of options, right? Or if you're done and you're happy with that date right there, and you're happy with the way that it's set, like the month and the date like that, you can just click done. So over here now you can see it says done over there. I'm going to push this button and it's done. And it's saying that it's Wednesday, November 23rd, according to the year that it's set to. It's the wrong date. It's not November 23rd. It's actually, I think I'm filming this on November. It was my wife's birthday a few days ago. It's November maybe 25th, I think, that I'm filming it now, or it's the 25th, November 25th, 2022. But this is set to like 2016 or something like that. Now that's basically how to change the date on a Timex Expedition Digital Watch. Really easy to do. I've shown you exactly how to do it in this video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.